Let's make spaghetti.
So I just decided to make some spaghetti today. Here I'm just grinding up my ground beef. I got this from Aldi's. It's really good. And I'm just grinding the meat up. I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning this. I used a little bit of Tony Chachere, some garlic powder, I think it's one of those. And I used some of this Sazón Tropical. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all me using that once I'm done grinding the meat up. So yeah, this is the meat right here. I'm using this right here. I have my water boiling. I just put some Cajun seasoning in there for the pasta. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, y'all. Oh, it was garlic powder. I was off, but yeah, so I'll just use a little bit of that. Just go ahead and put that in there because you need to season your food. No one likes bland food. And yeah, this is the water. I'm adding this to the pasta. I'm adding the pasta in. This pasta took like a long ass time to cook for some reason. I don't know why. It took me like 18 minutes to cook that. I added some Sazón. Here it is. Boom, that's how it's looking right now. The meat is just about finished. This is how it looked. Looks so delicious. Here's the noodles. Just shaking up on the noodles right here. They're not really done right now, but stirring those up, they're done. I added some butter and a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning. They're really good. My camera's fogged up, but that's how the noodles looking. Here I'm adding the meat, the sauce, and some like crushed tomatoes. And I added a little bit more seasoning. And you can't have spaghetti without a little bit of sugar. So I added the sugar after I added the tomatoes. Because you don't really taste the sugar. It's not really a lot. So yeah, the sugar right there. This is just a nice dinner. Yeah. I gave this a nice stir. Looking real delicious. I let this simmer so that the sauce get nice and hot. And I made me a plate. My family really loved this. It was really, really delicious. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. And comment what you want to see next. Without further ado, bye.